Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by proving you own the account, not by searching for a password. Open the Gmail sign-in page and choose Forgot Password. Once done, provide the recovery email or phone you set up. Google uses these to confirm identity. Make sure to enter any previous passwords you remember. This helps the system verify you. If prompted, confirm account creation details like when you started the account. This sequence prevents unauthorized access while moving you toward a secure reset. Next, follow Google's verification flow carefully. When a code is sent, retrieve it from your recovery phone or email and enter it immediately. Codes expire quickly, so act fast. If you lack access to recovery options, use the detailed account recovery form and provide as many accurate details as possible: devices, locations, and when you last accessed the account help. Once you submit, monitor your recovery email and check spam folders, because responses sometimes land there. This middle phase is about accurate. Finally, if Google verifies you, set a new password that's long and unique. Use a passphrase or password manager to generate and store it. Once the reset completes, enable two-step verification to add a second layer of security, and review recent account activity and connected apps. If recovery fails, try again from a familiar device and location, or wait 24 to 48 hours before reattempting. Too many tries can lock the recovery process. This completes recovery while keeping your account protected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.